let's do a garden update because I feel like I haven't done one in a while.
It's sprinkling a bit, but this is pretty much what the garden is looking like right now. Everything is flourishing. My Chinese 5-color peppers are changing color. These are Mexican sunflowers, I believe. These are more dahlias and marigolds. All of my peppers are doing well. My jalapenos, my bell peppers, my serranos. I am getting a ton of basil, so I'm trying to cut it back like as quickly as I can. My blackberry bush is still bushing. I need to take care of those dead violas. My black-eyed Susans are getting smaller, probably because they're reaching the end. My dahlias are pretty much done. They're not putting out any flowers anymore. Like, I get these blossoms, but they're just empty. I'm getting a lot of pink cosmos, which I love. Some of my zinnias are starting to die. I'm going to leave those to get flowers or seeds. My brand new zucchini has come up. What's in here? Zinnias. I got one cucumber coming up. My Goldie Honey Bear. There's so many on now. They're so pretty. And then my Velvet Queen Sunflower. I got a picture of her when she fell the other day, but other than that, I cannot see her that tall. My Black Beauty is done putting out tomatoes. I need to take it down. My Bella Rosa is steady putting out like big, nice Bella Rosas. My marigolds. My Roma. These plants are unbelievable. Like, I just keep getting Romas, even though the plant is like 1 foot tall and sick. See, we have a nice Bella Rosa in there. I'll probably harvest it tomorrow. My indigo blue chocolate is still giving me lots of tomatoes. My Sweet Million, same, just tomatoes everywhere all the time. This Marglo plant, done. Even though it keeps putting out more tomatoes, I think it's done. I'm going to take it down soon. And then I have one black rim, another little baby one up there, but I'm probably just going to take that one, take the plant down. This aroma plant also still giving me aromas. My Marglo plant, like, I keep making fun of it saying it's skin and bones, but it literally is skin and bones, and it just keeps giving me tomatoes. Some more Marglo tomatoes. My Rudbeckias, I actually have so many Rudbeckias. I really love them. Look at this cute little one. I feel like every single Rudbeckia is like a different, unique color variation, every single one. Oh, also, look at my tomato seedlings now. They're really grown. It's time to get these out. I'm just waiting for the heat wave to die down. But yeah, these are massive. And I'm keeping them here in the shade during the really hot parts of the day, otherwise they'll wilt. So I'm gonna get these out into the garden probably this week. Like I said, once the heat wave passes, I'm gonna put these out. And that's pretty much how the garden's doing.